Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you have the internet connection but cannot browse Google Chrome or use or log in to your Google Play Store. So in order to fix that, you will need to go to your settings, then at the bottom locate the system, go to the date and time, and enable automatic date and time. Now if we go back to the Google Chrome and reload the page, it should load properly. And the same is with the Google Play Store. I should be able to sign in now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.